In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Perplexity chat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean, shareable link to a conversation and send it to colleagues, classmates, or friends so they can view the thread just as you see it. Start by opening Perplexity AI. You can use a browser or the app. Either works. Once you're in, navigate to the chat thread you want to share. This could be a research conversation, a brainstorming session, or a Q&A you want others to review. Take a brief moment to scan the thread and make sure it's the one you intend to share. It's always a good idea to verify that there's nothing personal or confidential in the conversation before making it accessible to others. With the correct thread open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is the control that generates a viewable link for your chat. When you click it, Perplexity will prepare a public link that mirrors the content of the thread. Think of it like handing someone a read-only window into your conversation. They can see the exchange and context, but they won't be able to change the original thread. Next, click Copy Link. This places the unique URL on your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere. You may see a brief confirmation that the link was copied. If you don't, you can click again to be sure. The link format is typically a standard web address, and anyone you share it with will load the chat in their browser without needing special access. Now paste the link and send it to others using your preferred channel: email, chat apps, a project workspace, or even a document. It helps to add a short note explaining what the chat covers so recipients know what to look for. If someone says they can't open it, double-check that the full link was pasted without extra spaces and that nothing was cut off. A quick but important reminder: anyone with the link can view the chat. When you share a link, the thread becomes public to anyone who has that link unless you change the privacy settings. Share thoughtfully, especially if the thread includes sensitive context or references. That's it. Open Perplexity, open your chosen chat, click Share, click Copy Link, then paste and send. It's a simple, reliable way to let others review your work, follow your reasoning, and stay aligned without forwarding screenshots. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.